Hi, everybody. My name is Catherine. I will be your faculty this semester. Josh Polk was going to do it, but I am going to instead. So, a little bit about me. My name is Catherine Humphreys. This is me. I teach at the Art Institute of Pittsburgh Online. I also teach at a place called Eckerd College here in St. Petersburg, Florida. Yep, I live in Florida. But before that, I also taught at the Ringling School of Art and Design in Sarasota. And prior to that, I was a production artist and animator for different companies. For example, I've done a lot of motion graphics, I've done a lot of interactive media. Um, I worked at a newspaper and I did daily graphics. Information graphics are always my favorite thing. I'm very familiar with design and layout. I'm also familiar with Animate, Dreamweaver. Um, what can I tell you? So I've had a lot of experience in digital arts, graphic design, etc. So basically, I will be looking at your work, critiquing it. Let's go through things. There's that announcement from Josh that talks about we're still figuring out who's in charge, etc. I've uploaded the syllabus. It's probably standard to what you're used to seeing. I did want to point out, though, that the late policy, I don't know if this is different than what you're used to, but it's 10% off per day. So after a while, you will get zero. But for the most part, we've given you a lot of time to do these assignments. So there's really no excuse. But if you do have an excuse, a good one, um, send it to me. And of course, you'll get time, um, more time to do it depending on what happened. All right, so I don't grade revisions. I don't have time to constantly go back and back and back and grade. Um, but if you want to revise and then upload it again and again and again before the deadline, you can. And I will grade whatever is closest to the deadline. So that's one way to work. Otherwise, I do think revisions are good. So if you want to do that, so let's say you missed 10 points, so you re-upload a perfect version, I will consider that sort of effort when I do the final grading. Okay, so the first assignments, let me see, okay. So create a blog. You guys are seniors, so you're probably familiar with a blog out there. So a blog post that tells me something about you. In fact, you could use the content from your first project. Just copy and paste it right in there if you want to. But yeah, tell me about, your favorite classes, if you've taken other classes, what your major is. I don't know anything about you, so whatever you can supply to me would be greatly appreciated. And definitely tell me what kind of job you like and be really specific. So, for example, if you want to be a graphic designer, do you want to work for the publishing industry? You want to work on book covers? Or do you want to be like a motion graphics artist? So that sort of thing is really important to me because I can help direct you and your work towards that goal. All right, let's see. There's more details in there. You guys can read it. Let me go back to assignments. So you're going to see some of these here. They're not released to you yet, so we have to work out the details. All right, so here's something you're going to get 2 weeks to do. Basically, introduce yourself through media of some kind. So this could be a video, a creative animation, motion graphics like an animated text, a website, interactive piece, a game. It could be a digital painting, some sort of 3D, but sort of give me the essence of you in this assignment. So of course, like anybody, we all love to talk about ourselves. So this should be a fun assignment for you. All right, so let me click on discussions, blog post. This assignment is in the discussions region. So let me just go back home. All right, so basically I'm looking forward to you guys reading your biography. This is due the 13th. Yeah, due January 13th. So get that in. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm so looking forward to working with you. Bye-bye.